Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make this beautiful artwork using grass. So you can take some grass from your surrounding and tie a knot at the center. Now we are going to use 4 grass together and hold it like this. Now look at the 1, 2, 3 sign. You have to put the end like we're doing here. We have to braid them together. So you put all of them one over another like this and braid it like we're doing here in this video. After making this, again look at the 1, 2, 3 numbers. You have to put all the 3 sides of the grass like this and make a shape like this. We are making this oval shape. After making it, we are going to tie a knot at the top and cut it, and look, your pineapple designs are ready. Let's make this leaf boat. So collect some green leaf and fold it like we're doing here. Now tear it and tuck it inside from this side. Similar way, we are going to fold the leaf and tuck it from this side as well. Now we are going to make a hole at the center, and look, it's ready. Here we're going to make a very creative craft today using fresh leaves. So pick some fresh leaves like we're doing here. After this, we're going to put all of them like this and braid each of them together. So hold all of them like this and take one corner and put the end of the leaf like this. We're going to make a rectangular shape here. So braid it like this, put all of them one over another. Here we're going to make this checkered pattern. After making this rectangular shape, now we are going to make the head of the animal. So yeah, we are going to increase the length on upside like this and decrease the size of the braiding like this, and look, it's done. Flip it like we're doing here and tuck it inside. After doing this, we're going to cut the extra pieces, and look, it's done. Let's make this ring using foxtail grass. So take 2 grass and tie a knot like this. Now we are going to make a ring. So roll the stick like this, and look, your ring is ready with bunny ears. Let's make this fun craft using Gko Leaf. So collect a leaf from Gko. You can take other leaf as well. Now tear it like we're doing here and put the stick inside. Pull it, and look, your craft is ready. Collect pine leaves and remove some of them. Now we are going to tie all of them using a thread. Hold it from the side and again tie it, cut the extra part, and look, your homemade broom is ready. You can also put a stick on the back side. Look at this creative fish craft. Let's make it at home. So collect a leaf. Here we are going to take 2 leaves and braid both of them together and make a shape like this. Flip it and again pull it from all its sides and give it a shape of fish. Now cut the extra part, paste the googly eyes, and look, your fish is ready. Roll this yellow clay and press it. Now paste googly eyes. We are going to make a lion today. So we are going to dab these foxtail grass around the clay like this. Put a stick, and look, it's ready. So we are going to cut these dry leaves and paste it on the sheet of paper. We are going to make a fox face here. So cut it. Now we are going to draw it on the top of it using white marker. Draw the ears of the fox and paste googly eyes, and look, your fox face is ready. You can make it using green leaves as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.